Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you for logging in. So today I'm going to show you a little preset that I built in the past few weeks or month. I've been working on it every now and then and just improving it and recording and just adjusting. And if you're using Fractal, it's really you can play with it all day long for years. So I think that I'm pretty pleased with the result. And what you're gonna see here, I took the song Pushing Me Away from High Beat Theory, which is, for me, this is the best song from Linkin Park. And I do a lot of my sound and tone chasing experiments using it. And I'm using the original guitar tracks, which I found online. And I just built a preset using the gear that I know that Brad uses in his studio sessions, the Mesa Boogie rectifier, the Marshall amps, phasers, flangers, anything that you can imagine, and of course noise gate, because many of the guitars that he recorded was really gated and compressed in the post-production. So what we're gonna do here, we're going to play you the original track from the record and how the guitar sounds when they're isolated, and then I will play you the same part from my recording, and I'll show you how I recorded everything. And as you can see, I did the quad tracks per side, so we have 4 tracks for the left and for the right, and basically each track is played by me over and over and over and over. So I played everything 8 times for the rhythm sections and twice for the background guitar. And for the clean sound, I just played once and I recorded it in stereo. And we have an additional track here, which is the true gem, hidden gem that nobody really know that exists unless you listen to the original isolated guitars. So let's start. So I will play firstly the original recording from the song, and you can see and hear how the clean sounds are. So this is Brad. I'll play it again. And this is my part, isolated. Again. So it's a pretty straightforward sound, nothing that special here. I'm going to show you the preset and the scene. So it's scene number 1, clean sound. I'm using the pitch block here with the advanced whammy dialed to -1 just to have the semitones and the guitar set according to the original tuning, because I don't have the drop pedal here from DD-Check that I sold a few months ago, and it tracks pretty well, but nothing like tuning your guitars to the original tuning. But this is what I have here. I'm playing a PRS CE22 2006 flame maple top tuned to E standard, so this is how it sounds with the pitch down to -1 semitone. And The amp here is the USA pre-clean. The settings are pretty straightforward, nothing that special here. You have the gain in the middle, input in the middle, pretty low bass, mid right afternoon, quite a lot of treble. I don't play it that much. And the cabs here have the Mesa 4x12 B30s twice. And no reverb, no anything else, just pretty straightforward clean sound. And this is how it sounds. So I'll play you right again so you can hear it. So let's move on to the next section, which is the original sound. So I'll play the original track in isolated, and you can hear the rhythm guitars. So let me just isolate everything that's required here. So these are my guitars. So what do we have here? We have 4 tracks. So show the preset. This is the scene. So we have 2 amps here. We have the Rector 2 Red Vintage, and we have in channel C, and we have the Breed 800 in channel B. So I have everything, each amp recorded 4 times on each side, and I played every section 4 times during the whole song. And I'm using the gate here, the classic expander. This is the settings, and of course the pitch block. I'm using this cab that I found online. I will share with you. Sounds pretty good. I use it for both amp, and in general, what you have here, if I just isolate all these guitars here, this is what you hear. And if I do the same here, wait a minute. So if you add these guitars, which are really important for the song and the rhythm section, this is how they sound. So Linkin Park is really known for the really sharp and hard cuts when they're moving from chorus to clean sound and distortion to clean sound. So this is how it sounds. They really cut it really sharp in the end. So let's hear everything together. And then it moves to the clean sound. And now I'll play you the original track. So what you can hear here is shown in scene number 3. So we have a lo-fi guitar here with a tremolo pattern and a phaser and a lo-fi EQ. So this is how it sounds on my track. If I just move it here, so you have the clean sound starting, and then the tremolo joins. So let me just play it alone. So this is how it sounds. So if I move back to the FM3 edit, so you have the bias tram here. I put it on depth 100. These are the settings, 1/16th, and in the tempo to have this, you know, just like a percussion effect. The virtuoso phaser, these are the settings, nothing special here. Pretty high mix to have this phaser effect. You can also add some phase effect here in the tremolo settings. And the parametric EQ here, this is how it, this is the curve. And let me just play. So this is how it sounds. So let's move on and hear everything together back from the clean sound with the tremolo. So then it just repeats itself, and then it goes to the bridge and the final chorus. So this is how it sounds until the end of the song. So if you want to play another song, you can just dial down the advanced whammy settings to 3 semitones down, and you can play the song on each amp that you like better. So let's just say I want to play with the rector. So this is how it sounds. you for logging in, guys, and thank you for watching the video. Hope that you like the content and that you find it useful. If you want something similar for a different song, please leave down in the comments below. If you have any ideas for me to get better and think there's something that we're missing, let me know as well. And that's it. Thank you until the next time, and have a good day.